Gold H4 time frame. Last week, 5 impulsive wave. Then from top 3167 AVC inlet wave decline. So one complete inlet wave cycle, 5 impulsive wave, then AVC correction up to 4th wave low. So one cycle complete, that low near psychological level $3,000, your big static support level. Starting Monday open this week, if market fall more, then I think it is already oversold. So below $3,000, that will be scalp buying opportunity because this look highly oversold. So like previous video, 3000 level now change into 3015, then later 2957. So support are still same, big static support level. If price goes up more as a counter trend correction, then resistance 3057, that will be first resistance. Or simple way, we will use through retracement top to bottom 50 or maybe 61. And trader who miss this selling opportunity, buy exactly at top 3167, or simple way you can say FOMO buying bank target more than $4,000. Then updated this Peller channel in Telegram when price testing upper trend line, then big vertical collapse up to $3,000. Since market is highly oversold, it need a correction minimum 3057. But on intraday, this is your trend reversal, 3167 your top on intraday H4. So if market fall more below 3015 support level, next support 2957, this is your support zone, or you can say scalp buying zone, and minimum first resistance 3057. But market going up from here, that will be counter trend, and market can go up to 3100. But daily time frame give you more clarity. You have two trend line, your big dynamic support level. So this is beginning of new quarter. In first week last week, you saw big vertical dump. So is this sideways correction like market did in past? Time will tell, because market only declined almost $100, then jumps again to new all-time high. So if this is just a sideways correction, new sideways range, then next quarter a new sideways correction already started, wait for correction to end. Or if this is a trend reversal, then 5 impulsive wave started first quarter this year, then last week you saw final 5th wave correction. Now this whole trend top to bottom, it need a correction. Some big market manipulation news, if you see, Jim Cramer was bullish on gold and tariff worth before this vertical dump, and I have already explained in detail that $4,000 gold price from two bank, JP Morgan and Goldman, that was indirectly second inflation wave panic. This week CPI PPI, last time they saw downtick. If they saw downtick again, that means second inflation wave panic is over. And your stock market constantly crashing, You saw stock market crash once again last week. Your theme of second quarter, total opposite of first quarter. Dump stock, buy gold. But last week you saw gold and stock both going down at the same time. After Friday's sell-off, look, stock market highly oversold. So if selling pressure reverse in stock market, then gold, that $100 dump in one day, that can stop. But your recession real market crash started. So be careful this week. If CPI and PPI so downtick, then that will be second time, and that will be new downtrend in inflation. That means your second inflation wave is dead, and gold is pricing. Every bank have different target. Like UBS, they are expecting 5% inflation. Goldman Sachs gave more than $4,000 level, but they did not give their new inflation wave target. Even if CPI and PPI does not show downtick, come high inflation this week, then stock market decline, recession panic in future, that will bring more deflation. So downtick in CPI will change everything. Second inflation wave narrative and inflation because of tariff. So Scott Bessent looks worried about stock market once again. So stock market need big correction. That is biggest source of selling pressure in gold recently. Weekly time frame, gold was constantly going up. First quarter this year, total opposite. Dump stock, buy gold. But recession is clear. Almost all bank predicting recession. Panic everywhere. Just first week of new quarter, you saw stock and gold both dumping, and COT decreased their position once again last week. So they are responding to market crash very fast. So last week you saw Fed speech, and again this week you will see Fed FOMC minute PDF. But one thing you can say, last week was big pump and dump. In beginning, they first pump gold, then big vertical dump, and killing almost all retail trader. If you see quarterly chart, then this is beginning of new quarter. This can be tail of new candlestick. But always remember, when we say stagflation or replace of 70s, this was your last trend. And Trump now saying it is perfect time for Fed to cut interest rate and stop playing politics. Since his inauguration, dollar index is falling in big way. So they are getting result without doing rate cut. When target achieved, almost collapsed to support zone, now saying perfect time. Because who need rate cut when dollar index was falling all the time? And when you have clear risk of stagflation, Fed cannot cut interest rate. Until it become clear second inflation wave risk is dead, CPI inflation is falling again. So this week CPI will be most important. So daily time frame, it is too early to say this is trend reversal or not. But I can say for sure, new quarter, new sideways range started. Intraday H4 from top to bottom, 5 impulsive wave, 1 complete cycle with counter trend correction up to 4th wave low. So you have clear support and resistance level. and gold is highly oversold, it need upside correction. Fall more, you can buy below $3,000, and once correction is done, you can start selling near 3,100.